Midfielder number 37, Cordell Cato. Midfielder number 81, Marvin. Midfielder number 12, Ramiro. Number 4, Sam. And introducing Alexander Emerson. And introducing the forward number 9, Mike Facino. And introducing the defender number 40, Dan Garvin. And midfielder number 17, Sam Garza. And forward number 24, Allen. Introducing defender Hunter Korski. And introducing defender number 2, Ty Harden. And defender number 21, Jason. Introducing forward number 34, Adam John. And forward number 16, Stephen. And introducing number 19, Peter McGlynn. And introducing Colin Mitchell. And defender number 15, Justin. And introducing the defender number 25, Tommy Miller. And one of our goalkeepers, number 13, Evan. And midfielder, number 5, Brad. Midfielder, number 6, Shane. Number 22, Abu Tommy. And introducing forward, number 20, Marcus Tracy.